Okay folks, this is Crafty Dan and I am submitting for the Lockjaw Manufacturing Berserker Challenge. Berserker Challenge is 20 locks picked within 5 minutes. Math works out, that's about 15 seconds a lock. So you're really going to blaze through. This is a lock picking drag race. Got 2 stacks of 10 locks here. These are the cheap Amazon Sepox locks specials. Yes, I bought them on sale because by golly, I wouldn't buy these things for real. In any case, so we're going to blaze through all of these. Real star of the show today is going, hopefully, is going to be the Gravpick sporting a McTickler pick and a tension wrench that comes with it. I've been doing about on the keyway tension on pretty much all of it. In any case, so clock right over here and go. I'm finding that I just do not quite have these smaller 30mm locks straightened out. Take a little bit longer than the 40s. I don't know why they're harder, they just are. There's 2. Initially, I'd been picking these with bottom of the top of the keyway tension. It's 3. It's finding that the smaller locks don't really care for it as much, but there's plenty of room in this keyway to do bottom. Come on, you. Look out. Look over your secrets. Minute 30 in and I'm stuck on lock number 4. Can I accelerate above these? I don't know. Practice runs, I didn't get stalled on this one. So let's see if I can accelerate. That's 4. 2 minutes in. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. It's 9. Let's go back and touch that one. Come on, you. Don't be fussy. Open for me. Okay. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14, finally. 15. 15. Ooh, down to the wire. Oh, come on, you. 16. 17. Come on. 18. 19. And that's 20, folks. Okay, 4 minutes and 57 seconds, 16 tenths. That took me way longer than it should have. In any case, that was fun. Did a lot of practicing on these bigger locks. Not enough on the tiny ones, but they all pick pretty well. They pick quickly. Again, I wouldn't... one thing I wouldn't is pick these to actually lock anything up. So in any case, again, this is Dan Cruz for the Lockjaw Manufacturing Berserker Challenge, and that was Berserk. In any case, y'all have a great evening.